Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. My name is Angel. If you're new here, I create all kind of videos from lifestyle, from do-it-yourself projects to fashion and beauty. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. Who's a fan of rose gold and marble decor? Okay, so I've kind of become obsessed with rose gold and marble. So I'm redoing my office in the color of rose gold and marble. And so I'm going to do a couple do-it-yourself projects, some pieces, some decor that I'm going to add to my office. So I decided to share that with you guys today. So, you know, if you're thinking about it, it doesn't have to be rose gold and marble. But, you know, I'm showing you guys some, you know, do-it-yourself decor pieces that are very inexpensive and are super cute. So let's get started. I'm going to be using two spray paints. This one, which is a metal finish by Rust-Oleum. It's in a color copper, but if you don't know, copper is pretty much a very close color to rose gold. So you can use, you know, this as a rose gold color. And then I'm also going to be using this one. This is a pink, champagne pink by Rust-Oleum spray paint. I'm going to be using this one as well.
I'm also going to be using some marble contact paper as well as some metal FX contact paper. I'll have a link below.
For some wall art, I got this piece of canvas from Michaels. I have done like probably 80% of our wall art in a house, so it's no different in my office. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to use marble contact paper, and I'm also going to spray paint the bottom in a rose gold color. So
to start the canvas, I just taped off the part that I know I was going to put contact paper on. And I put a bag so that spray paint wouldn't get on that area as well. So it's just a bag and taped it, and then I spray painted. So for corners, you just want to cut a diagonal piece off of each corner. Just cut diagonally and it'll just flip right over. And that's for almost any item you're doing with contact paper.
This vase from Dollar Tree for $1. It is so cute. I love the ripples in it. I'm going to spray paint this in the color copper. Up this little cutting board from Dollar Tree. Can you see it? It's a glass, and it's like 7 by 7 inch. It's a cutting board, but I'm going to actually use it as a tray in my office. So I'm going to coat this with some contact paper and put little cute trinkets on there to add to my decor. but super cute box. And I'm gonna spray paint this as well as add some contact paper to it.
So here I'm just measuring the length of the box so that I'll know how long to cut my contact paper, because I'm gonna do like a triangle on each side. And I didn't use a ruler. It would probably be a lot easier if you just gone and use a ruler. I just was in a rush, and so I just used my own precision, the Angel Precision way. So I didn't use a ruler, but it'll be a lot easier with a ruler. If you want a more precise cut, use a ruler. But I just did it completely by hand, so. Don't mind my dog, she wants to help out, so.
Basket from Dollar Tree that I think is cute. It's a little wire basket. So I'm gonna spray paint this rose gold as well. Picked up this from Dollar Tree. It's a little pencil holder, $4. As you can see, it's in the color pink. So we're gonna paint this a rose gold. I'm gonna spray paint it copper. This little clear vase from Dollar Tree as well. It's very cute. I'm gonna actually redo this with two different type of contact papers. I'm gonna do the marble, and then I'm gonna do the rose gold metal at the bottom. Spray paint these flowers. Yes, you can spray paint flowers. I'm actually going to do half and half. So I'm going to do half copper rose gold, and the other half really light pink. this frame that I got from IKEA. I'm going to just add some marble contact paper to the background and put a few words in there with some gold letters. This will be a great do-it-yourself art for my office. So.
So as you can see, you can leave the frame with the marble contact paper by itself. I know a lot of people do that. Just this decor is really cute. But I just wanted to add letters to mine. These letters I picked up from Michael's. I believe I paid $1 or $2 for them. I used the 50% off coupon too. So yeah, pretty inexpensive.
That's it. If you liked, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it and you help me out greatly. And don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, guys. Toodles. Have a good one.
Bye.
I really look good on camera right now.
Peace.
I can stand here and talk to myself. Not gonna do that. Alright, who's gonna help me paint? Grace? Iris?